everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, first impressions matter, and Buick nails it. The 2025 motorhome features a bold, aerodynamic silhouette with a wide stance, LED light strip accents, and a sleek panoramic windshield. Step inside, and it's less like an RV, more like a luxury condo on wheels. We're talking ambient lighting, real wood trim, plush leather seating, and an intuitive digital command center that wraps around the driver. This motorhome is smarter than ever. A 15-inch OLED infotainment display, over-the-air software updates, voice-controlled cabin functions, and a mobile app that lets you pre-cool the interior or check water levels remotely. There's also integrated solar panels and a high-capacity battery pack to power your gadgets off-grid. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, Buick's all-electric drivetrain offers up to 300 miles of range. Dual-motor AWD delivers smooth torque for uphill drives and tight maneuvering. And thanks to air suspension, the ride feels like you're gliding on clouds, even over uneven terrain. Inside, space is brilliantly optimized. A modular kitchenette, full wet bath, convertible queen bed, and even a slide-out office nook. Whether you're camping in the mountains or parking beachside, this motorhome adapts to your lifestyle. The 2025 Buick Motorhome isn't just transport, it's a travel experience. With style, smarts, and sustainability, Buick is redefining what life on the road looks like. Think you're ready to trade flights for freedom? Hit like, subscribe, and let us know, would you take the wheel of this all-electric adventure machine?